Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. Ethereum price prediction in-depth analysis. Ethereum cost has shown critical strength as it weaved off the week-by-week support level at $3,051.24. While the rise has begun for the Savvy Understanding token, the ongoing expense of Ethereum is $3,338.18 and ETH is at this point situated in the entire crypto natural framework. The core supply of Ethereum is 119,137,939 with a market cap of $497,703,404,143. ETH requirements to beat the 200-day SMA at $3,325 to head higher. As shown by the latest data aggregated, the ongoing expense of Ethereum is $3,338.18 and ETH is at this point situated number in the entire crypto organic framework. The core supply of Ethereum is 119,137,939 with a market cap of $397,703,404,143. With an addition in its trading volume and market cap, Ethereum's expense has shown a respectable augmentation of 3.28% at this point. Ethereum is defying a troublesome time hopping on board with other crypto coins. The ETH is down to almost 4.01% over the latest 7 days. The coin is at this point showing betting illustrating segments for ongoing days. The coin might have strong fundamentals simultaneously. We don't completely accept that it would a gainful asset right now. Addressing the said issue will open ETH's approach to retest the stock zone, connecting from $3,512 to $3,845. Expecting bulls continue to hold their line, Ethereum cost could loosen up to the large number of weeks resistance level at $4,124. Ethereum assumptions are revived predictably with latest costs by adroit particular assessment. Responsive about ETH projections. See our other forecasts. ETH expect future characteristics with a specific examination for a wide decision of modernized coins like Ethereum. Expecting you are looking for virtual financial structures with incredible returns, ETH can be a valuable endeavor decision. Ethereum esteem is comparable to $3,342.150 United States dollars at 2022-01-13. If you buy Ethereum for $100 today, you will get a total of 0.0299 ETH. Considering our evaluations, a long addition is typical. The worth expectation for 2027-01-09 is $18,649.30 US dollars. With 5-year hypothesis, the pay is depended upon to be around plus 458%. Your current $100 theory may depend on $558 in 2027. Note how the worth movement would play out similarly as the past bear market, tumbling to the ongoing cementing range as the accompanying bear market base. That suggests that the resistance and support being manufactured right currently will be retested a year or more from now. Ether was trading at $3,102.35 as demonstrated by Coinbase, down around 13.19% on the latest 24 hours. Ethereum's worth today means a critical fall on the last month, when Ether was fluctuating at around $4,000 in regard. As shown by exceptionally rich individual monetary supporter Mike Novogratz chatting on CNBC lately. People see Ethereum as a development bet and Bitcoin more as a corruption of official cash bet. As the US Federal Reserve embraces a more hawkish position in 2022 to deal with extension, that soured to move toward 4-decade highs in the US in November at 7.58% YoY. Novogratz guesses that the enormous scope view ought to continue to incline toward Ethereum. Another subject to see in 2022 is Ethereum's approaching SHO 2.0 progress that will see the course of Ethereum mining shift from the significantly energy-erased proof-of-work reasoning to the extensively more energy-useful check-of-stake strategy. At the point when the advancement for proof-of-stake is done, Ethereum mining energy use ought to fall by practically 100%, which should generally additionally foster the cryptographic cash's appeal for ESG monetary sponsor. Ethereum Esteem Estimate 2023 may too have its piece of overcast days. If Ether crypto holds the assistance level around its MA of 100 days and 200 days positively, buyers will have sufficient time and strength to create the accompanying attack mission on the vital level at $8,612, making it not as yet plunge play dependably. In 2023 the ETH cost is depended upon to cross an ordinary worth degree of $7,145.37. The typical least worth of Ethereum, before the completion of the ongoing year, should be $6,942.15. Likewise, ETH can show up at a most outrageous worth degree of $8,176.49. With any movements in methodologies and rules, Ethereum has shown a creating design. In this manner, we feel that similar bits of the market were very notable at that period. According to the latest data assembled, the trading volume of Ethereum is extended from months. The trading volume lays out a fundamental work in its expense. As shown by the Ethereum figure cost and concentrated examination, value assumptions by market specialists, check the ordinary expense of Ethereum to extend around $3,845 by mid-2025. The expected expense might move to $5,800 by year-end contemplating Ethereum 2.0 show. For flitting adventures, the typical worth advancement is plus 81%. These 5 years would bring an enormous addition. Ethereum cost would move from $7,245 to $18,514, which is up 164%. Ethereum will start 2024 at $7,215, then take off to $8,547 inside the underlying half year of the year, and finish 2024 at $9,975. That suggests plus 179% from today. Predicts ETH to drop down to $4,468.25 by December 12 this year. This is logical due to the ceaseless upgrades which actually really can't be done. Master Galaxy shared the gloomy inclination. The master looked at it as a pivot illustrative mode. However, the expense might improve to $5,247 before the week's finished. Hypothesis Bank Standard Chartered predicts Ethereum's long potential to reach $26,241 to $35,875. Unfortunately, they didn't develop the time span. All through the accompanying 5